Hey guys, Miss Amanda here. So I'm going to walk you through a quick drawing tutorial. So once we're done here, take a picture, have mom and dad take a picture, share it with us, don't forget to tag us. Let's get started. So what you'll need to make Darth Vader is a paper plate, a black paint, or a black marker, depending on what you have. Something with a straight edge. You can use a ruler. I'm using an old gift card. A pencil just to mark everything out. A cup of water if you're using paint. And of course, a paintbrush. Again, if you're using paint. Okay, so first thing we're going to do to make Darth Vader is outline everything that we're going to keep white. We're going to paint everything else around it. So first thing, as you can see, I started doing a line across the top. I'm going to do two lines down the top. 2 lines down from the top again. You want to make sure the lines from the top are pretty thin, not overly thick, but just about the same size. As you see here, I went back and fixed it, which is okay because it'll be covered with paint later. So next up, we're going to draw the eyes. Now what you want to do with these is make 2 equal-sized upside-down triangles. What I'm doing here is just marking where I want the points in the triangle to meet. And I'm just using my gift card to make a straight line. Super simple. If you need help, always ask mom and dad. Alright, so now we're on to the mouth. This one's going to be a much bigger triangle, and it's going to meet right in the middle of the 2 eyes. Okay, and there we go. There's our face. Next thing I'm going to do is just outline it with black marker. There we go, easier to see. So we're going to mark the areas that we're going to color black with an X, just so that we don't get them mixed up with the areas we want to keep white. So from here on out, we're just going to start painting or coloring it in, depending on which way you want to go. Okay, so there's no real instruction at this point. It's kind of just go at your own pace, go nice and slow, make sure that you're not getting into that white area. You can always clean up the lines later with a black marker like we're going to do later, but that's totally up to you. So in the meantime, while I'm painting, I have a couple of trivia facts for you. Like, did you know that in Episode 4, A New Hope, Darth Vader is only on screen for 12 minutes? Yeah, for being the central villain of the whole movie, he's not on screen very much. He's not a very big part of the movie. While Darth Vader may only have 12 minutes of screen time in the original Star Wars movie, his character is one of the most popular and profitable characters in the Star Wars universes. His likeness has been used from everything from burgers to toasters to even luxury watches. Okay, so right about now, I'm going to go around the edge of the plate and just paint all of that in, just so it's one big cohesive black circle. Now, depending on the type of paper plate you have, you might not have to do this step. So, totally up to you, your personal preference, what kind of plate you have, etc. So one more quick fact about Darth Vader as we start to wrap this up. Did you know that Darth Vader actually ties C-3PO for the most limbs lost in Star Wars? That's right, he has lost 5 limbs throughout the films. That is the same amount of limbs lost as C-3PO, our lovable, all-knowing gold droid. Alright, just some last minute touches to that outer rim. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a marker and create 3 lines in that big triangle for Vader's mouthpiece. Just 3 straight lines, right down the middle, all about the same height, like that. Then we're going to use the same black marker to clean up the lines. Now this part isn't mandatory, this is more if you just want to clean some stuff up. If you like the way it looks, awesome. You can totally skip this step. That is totally up to you, it's your Vader mask. And at this point, we're really basically done. You have your mask. May the Force be with you. Happy May the 4th, guys.